Good morning, everyone. So today we will answering questions about the human rights. Number one question is, in your community, have there been instances where human rights education has led to positive change or social justice initiatives? Share examples of grassroots movements or educational programs that have promoted human rights awareness and activism. Number two question, how have educational initiatives or advocacy campaigns contributed to advancing quality and non-discrimination in your community? Share examples of successful efforts to promote LGBTQ plus rights or combat racial discrimination. Number three question, how can educators effectively integrate human rights education into curricula and teaching practices?